Here we're going to find the first 6 partial sums of the sequence -2, 2, -2, 2, repeating. And so I'm going to write out the first 6 terms here, because in order to find the 6th partial sum, you add up a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, a sub 5, and a sub 6. To find the 5th partial sum, you add up the terms a sub 1 through a sub 5. For the 3rd partial sum, a sub 1 through a sub 3. For the 2nd, a sub 1 and a sub 2. And s sub 1 is simply the same as a sub 1. So we have s sub 1 is equal to -2. Now, s sub 2 is s sub 1 plus a sub 2, or if you want, a sub 1 plus a sub 2. -2 plus 2 is 0. So this is our, let me label this instead, s sub 2. Or s sub 3 is s sub 2 plus a sub 3, or the sum of the first 3 terms of the sequence. So since our sum for the first 2 was 0, 0 plus -2, s sub 3 is going to be -2 again. S sub 4 will be the sum of the first 3 plus the 4th, and so -2 plus 2 is going to be 0 again. Zero plus another -2 will make s sub 5 equals -2, and -2 plus another 2 is going to give us s sub 6 equals 0. So when the subscript is odd, the sum is -2. When the subscript is even, the sum is 0. Now let's look at another example. Find the first 4 partial sums and the nth partial sum of the sequence a sub n, where a sub n is 3 times the common log of n divided by n plus 1. So let's write out the first 4 terms of the sequence. A1, A2, A3, and A4. And let's notice that because we have a quotient and a quotient rule for logs, that our terms of the sequence can also be written as 3 log, 3 bracket, log n minus log n plus 1. And the 3 can be distributed, so it could be 3 log n minus 3 log n plus 1. Now when n is 1, that would be 3 common log of 1 minus 3 common log of 2. For a sub 2, it would be 3 common log of 2 minus 3 common log of 4. Of 3, I'm sorry. For a sub 3, it would be 3 common log of 3 minus 3 common log of 3 plus 1, which would be 4. And for a sub 4, it would be 3 common log of 4 minus 3 common log of 5. So, S sub 1 is the same as A sub 1. So our S sub 1 equals 3 log of 1, common log of 1, which is 0, minus 3 log 2. And so 3 times 0 would be 0, and we'd have minus 3 log 2. So this log of 1 let me just rewrite this. So it's going to be log of 1 minus common log of 3 common log of 2. So then when we have our S sub 2, we will be adding to A sub 1 3 log 2 minus 3 log 3. That means that the 3 log 2's will neutralize each other. And so for S2, we're going to have sub 2, we're going to have minus 3 common log of 3. For S sub 4, we'll be adding 3 log of 3 minus 3 log of 4, and the 3 log 3's will neutralize each other. And so we'll have S sub 3 is minus 3 log 4. Similarly, our S sub 4 will be minus 3 log 5. And they ask us, what is S sub n? It will be minus 3 log, and notice that the input to the log is 1 more than the subscript of the S, and so it would be n plus 1.